Walking now on the street.
Magandang araw,
Kabayan.
kabayan.
After we eat dinner, guys, we have to walk to release all the fats. But we don't eat much with fats.
We
Only
eat a lot of fats.
no, only vegetables and fish. Grilled
rice.
fish and
And
rice,
rice.
of course. Rice is life.
The good basmati rice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
only basmati rice we eat here in Europe. Yeah,
We buy the rice in 1 kilos only.
yeah. Per 1 kilos only. There's no 5 kilos or 10 kilos or even 25 kilos.
1 kilo costs 2 euro.
2 euro.
About 60 or so. Yeah, 2
1
euros.
kilo.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, this is
About
about 140 or 50
Pesos, yeah.
pesos. So, huwag na kayong magreklamo guys sa taas ng bilihin sa atin. I told them that no need to
netto.
complain about the
This is our netto.
yeah, about the price of rice. This is all over the world.
There
This is the supermarket that nearest to us. This is the houses here. This is covered of what kind of roof are these, honey?
Eh?
Protection for the
What?
snow. Those roof.
The roof.
Yeah.
This is so that the snow does not slide to the when there are people down.
Yeah.
No?
This is
So
more clear here.
If there is a snow, they will not fall down. No.
Okay. So
See?
that is the reason why.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're heading to the town here. So, yeah, this is our life here. Just the two of us. Although we have two neighbors, Filipina also with their husband German.
Oh, there comes a machine here.
Where? Okay. Simple lang ang buhay namin dito, guys. Simpleng namumuhay. Walang social life. Hindi kami mga social na tao. Simple lang. We cross the road
And the red light.
with the red light. Now it's green.
Yeah.
Mga batas ba ng kalsada? Yan. Kasi dito maaga pa. Palubog pa lang yung araw, guys. Pero ang oras ay mag-aalas 9 na ng gabi. Look, guys, how quiet here and clean. All over the town. It's very clean. Nobody here. Just the two of us. Yeah. Namumula-mula na ng konti yung pisngi ko na naman. Alam nyo, guys, hindi na babawasan yung timbang ko. I said that my weight is never get less.
Yeah, because your rice is so big what you eat, and my rice is only so big. Yeah.
Yeah. From now on, I will walk alone because I need to lose weight. Pag busog na busog ako, guys, 53 yung timbang ko. Pag gutom ako, 52 lang, di nakakakain ako ng 1 kilo. Or depende naman kasi minsan ang bigat ng mga suot ko eh. Kaya nga mag-ano na ako, da-diet na ng konti. Dati 48 kilos lang ako.